To everybody for coming out tonight, particularly a thanks to the chamber staff and the staff here. They did a great job in pulling this all together. And there's still a lot more to come. This next award goes to another very deserving person in the city of Custer. This person always puts her best foot forward when it comes to making sure the customer is treated with a caring attitude and a smile. Without hesitation, she always takes her job as if it was her responsibility to put a smile on everybody's face. Working in this business for 12 plus years here in Custer City has been her lifelong dream. She is very familiar with the locals and also has an understanding of the visitor industry as well. With 3 employees and over 100 varieties of treats offered throughout her store, she continues to look for ways to make sure her offerings and her customer service is the key to her success. We are proud to announce that Lee Lampert, owner of the Custer County Candy Company, has been nominated and selected for Employee of the Year.